A lot of people have been complaining on the channel how they find it difficult to actually adapt whenever they visit the channel. That is, some persons will be like, I don't know where to start from. I don't know where you guys have started from. What's the first video? What's the first lesson? And like a lot of questions has been coming on the channel. For these reasons, we have decided to rebrand the channel into departments, into levels. Okay, so I'm going to be organizing the channel into level 1, level 2, level 3, depending on your level, depending where you want to start from. Now we have the level 1 when you want to start from the scratch, like from the basic. Okay, that's the beginners class. And we equally have the level 2 where you're going to have advanced, those people who have kind of graduated from the basic. That is when you have gotten your foundation, you move to level 2, which is the advanced level. After the level 2, you can move to the level 3, which is the professional level. By then you have been polished from stage 1 to then 3. This is going to aid anyone who is coming into the channel for the first time to actually know where to start from. Okay, so if you have been here and you have been confused, like you have been going back and forth, like today you see this, tomorrow is, don't worry. Right now I have decided to organize it into department. Okay, so you can actually go for the department that you want to start with, the level that actually suits you, then you progress. Okay, so welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at the diagram. From the beginning of this channel, I introduced some of these sounds, this diagram, but we did more of the ba be be boo boo, that is the B-A-B-E. When we have open syllables, you have B, E. This is a vowel sound, and once there is nothing crossing here, we know that as open syllables. Okay, if you're just joining me, I still have videos where I have actually explained this. So when we talk about open syllables, we're talking about something like this. When you have two-letter word without anything blocking it here, it is open syllable. Our first diagram was based on open syllables. The diagram we did before now, the ba be be boo boo, can actually be flipped back. That is, we flip it over and we're going to have something like this. Okay, we have a video on this on the channel, but I want to show more light. Like I said, we are rebranding the channel, so I want us to begin afresh. Okay, so that if you're seeing me for the first time, if you have joined this channel, like if you didn't begin with us, you can actually know where to start from and progress. Okay, so let's go. Up, ebb, ib, up, oob. Up, ebb, ib, up, oob. Remember, a, e, o, u. Then we have b, b, b. So a, b, e, b, e, b, I, b, I, b, o, b, o, b, u, b, u, b. So we have ab, eb, ib, up, oob. Ak, ek, ik, ok, ook. We have ak, ek, ik, ok, ook. You see the way it goes? We have a, de, e, de, I, de, o, de, u, de. We have ad, ed, id, od, ood. Is it making sense? We have a, f, e, f, I, f, o, f, oof. Okay, af, f, if, of, oof. All right, so we go on like that, so you can see how you can actually organize the sound. Remember, we have two ways that we've actually recited the alphabets of the English language, and we termed it the long sound and the short sound. So if you're yet to watch the video, that should be the first video you're going to watch before you get the diagram. Okay, you start with single letter, then you move to diagram. So from there you progress. That is one letter, two letter, three letter. That's how you should go. You start with single letter. Okay, from there you begin to pair two letter. From pairing two letter, you pay 3, you pay 4. You get? That is why we have 2 letter words, 3 letter words, 4 letter words, and then you go on. Okay, so let's recite this alphabetically. Ab, eb, ib, up, oob. Ak, ek, ik, ok, ook. Ad, ed, id, od, ood. Af, ef, if, of, oof. Ag, egg, ig, og, ug. I, a, e, I, ui. Aj, edge, ij, oj, uj. Ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. Al, el, il, ol, ul. Am, em, im, an, en, in, on, un. Up, ep, ip, op, up. Af, ef, if, of, uf. A, e, o, u. As, es, is, os, us. At, et, it, ot, ut. Af, ev, if, of, uv. Ow, el, ew, ow, o. So we have as, x, x, ox, ux. A, e, o, u. As, is, us, us. Did you get that? Let's go right again. Ab, eb, ib, ob, ub. Ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. Ad, ed, id, od, ud. Af, ef, if, of, uf. Ag, egg, ig, og, ug. A, e, o, u. Aj, edge, ij, oj, uj. Ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. Al, el, il, ol, ul. Am, em, im, an, en, in, on, un. Up, ep, ip, op, up. F, if, of, up. A, e, o, u. As, es, is, os, us. At, et, it, ot, ut. Af, ev, if, of, uv. Ow, el, ew, ow, o. As, x, x, ox, ux. E, i, o, u. As, es, is, us, us. Now, when you look at this diagram, you can see that these two are the same. It's just that they swapped position. You can see that on this one, A is coming before B, but right here, B is coming before A, okay? So the vowel is here, right here, the vowel is here. Okay, so for this one, we call this closed syllable because the syllable is focused on the vowel sound. The focus of the syllable is usually on the vowel sound. So because there is a letter here that is blocking the letter A, which is a vowel sound, it is a closed syllable. And right here we have open syllable. There is nothing blocking anything here, okay? These are the syllables we're talking about. Now, for two letter words with open syllables, they always have the long sound of the alphabet. That is, when I have B-E like this, it is pronounced as B for two letter word. The word B sounds B-E. E is not sounding like A. It doesn't sound B. It sounds B. That is the long vowel sound. Okay, remember the vowel is the focus when it comes to syllables. Okay, so now this is pronounced as B. Okay, again, if I want to write M-E, this is pronounced as me and not me. Me is a sound, but as a two-letter word, it is me. Okay, now again, if I want to write the word we, it is still sounding E and not E because it has open syllable. Okay, now for this one, we are having closed syllable. Now, when we have closed syllables, words that are of two-letter words, that is two-letter words with closed syllables, always goes with a short vowel sound. On the first diagraph, we try to pick out the two-letter words we have right there. Now, let's do the same for this one. So let's see. Now, on the first row, we have none. On the second row, we have none. Third row, then fourth row. On the fourth row, we have if. Okay, this is if. All right, if. Now, if you pay attention, it is sounding E, which is the short form of I, and not I. It is sounding if. So the first we are picking from this place is if. Okay, that is the first one. All right. Okay, let's see again. We have off. Oh, off and not off. Remember, O is the long sound and O is the short sound. Don't make mistake of misusing this, okay? So we have off, okay? So that's the number two-letter word we have here. All right. Now, do we have any other there? None again. Let's move to the next one. We don't have any here. None here, none here. And right here we have okay. 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 Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, so we have okay. And again, we move to this. We don't have any. We have this. A-M. How do you pronounce this? Is it am or am? Am or am? It is am. Okay, so that's the fourth one. Okay, now we'll move on. We have, okay, to the end, we have A-N. How do you pronounce that? That is an. An. Ano. Am. Am. Okay. Okay. Of. Of. If. Of. Okay. Am. All right. Let's move on. So we have in. E. It is sounding E and not ein. In. Okay. We have in. All right. We'll move on. We have on. Oh, not O. On. Okay. We go our on. All right. We have on again, but this is not representing a two-letter word. Now we go to the P. We have up. Up. It never sounded yoop. No, it is sounding up. Okay, we move to Q, none. To R, we have or. Now, let me quickly explain something here. While we are reciting this, do you notice that the R was not in the pronunciation? Unlike the formal, that is the ba, be, bi, bo, boo, when it was time for us to recite the R part, it was ra, re, ri, ro, ru. You were hearing the R there, but this one was recited ah, I, U. Yeah. Now this is it. There is what we call bossy R. When you see R in this format here, the A, then R, the E, R, the I, R, the O, R, the U, R. Just know that R is going to control how that vowel at the back will sound. This is pronounced R because of the vowel sound instead of ah. Okay, once R appears very close to a vowel sound, usually you will not hear the R being pronounced. It only makes the closest vowel to it a little bit longer, like it stretches it a bit, not like it's going to be long. For instance, when I try to spell these two words, this is ba, okay, this is ba, now this is ba. Did you get that? This is ba, B-A, ba. But this is a three-letter word, yet the R is not pronounced. You hear ba. This is ba, ba, ba. okay? Ba, we have ka. This is ka, but this is ka. From my pronunciation, the R was not in the sound, but you can feel it that this is sounding a little bit longer than this one. This is ka, this is ka, 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 ba, ba. And it has a way of bringing down the tone that you're going to use to pronounce this very vowel sound at the back of it, okay? For instance, if this happens to be E, it's going to make the E sound a little bit down. Not going to sound loud like that high pitch. Let's move on. Now to S, we have as, and not is, as, okay? So we move on. Do we have any other? We have is, is. This is and not ice, is. Okay, all right. Now we move on. We have the us and not use. This is us. Okay, we move to T. We have at. Okay, at. We now have it, eat, eat. All right. We still go on. We have, okay, which other one? None other. We move to V, no other. W, X. Okay, we have ox. Oh, not O, the ox. Okay, I don't know if you can still see to that extent. Okay, so far we're able to generate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So on this part, on this very diagram, we are able to bring out 14. So we're going to add together the first one and the second one to know in total how many two-letter words we have in English language. Okay, so let's pronounce it together. If, off, okay, am, an, in, on, up, as, is, us, at, eat, ox. So we have if, of, okay, am, an, in, on, up, as, is, us, at, it, ox. Okay, so you should be able to identify the two-letter words we have in English language. When you hear it, you should know is, am, of, us, like that. Okay, this is actually the third thing you should study if you are actually beginning from the scratch. This should be your third lesson. First, you go for the alphabet recitation. You should know the two ways the alphabet are recited. Then you move to the diagraph. When you know the diagraph, the ba, be, bi, bo, bu, that is the diagraph with the open syllable. Okay, then you pick out the two-letter words we have in them to see if the syllable, the open syllable, is actually working. Another thing, which is the number 3, is this diagraph. You check out for this diagraph as well. Pick out the two-letter words we have in them. At this point, you should be able to put together the total two-letter words we have in English language. So I'm going to stop here for today so you can prepare yourself for the next lesson. Don't forget to stay safe. If you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. We learn how to read, how to write, how to speak, how to behave. Like we learn literally everything that has to do with English language. Bye.